Hello everyone, and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care project video. Today we are going to be making some popsicles. To get started with this project, you will want to print off the free template of the popsicles. Just use the link in the description and it's free to do so. You will also want to have prepped some pieces of tissue paper. I have some here that are cut into squares. They're probably 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches or so in size. You will also need a mixture of white glue and water. I tend to do a mixture of half and half, so half glue and half water. And what I'll do is I'll mix it in a glass jar, put the glue in, and then I'll add hot water because it mixes faster with hot water. And I'll stir it and give it a shake, and then I just leave it in that jar for whatever projects I may use it for, and it keeps for a really long time. Like the container of glue that you see here in this video, I've probably had that for about 2 years. So once you've got your supplies all set up, it's very simple. All you have to do is choose squares of tissue paper and then glue them on top of the popsicles. So once you are finished putting tissue paper on top of the popsicles, just go ahead and let that dry. Now once it's dry, you can help your loved one cut out the popsicle tops. As you can see, the black lines are still visible through the tissue paper even after it's dried. And then you'll want to grab some popsicle sticks and your regular white glue. Help your loved one put glue onto the popsicle sticks, and then help them to stick those tops onto the popsicle stick. If your loved one is lacking the fine motor skill to put the glue on or to put the top of the popsicle on, that's okay. You can still grab their hand and have them pat the popsicle top in place on top of the glue. Get them to help you in whatever way they can, even if it means that you are moving their hands for them. So there you go, some fun summer treats. They make a cute decoration on a window or on a door. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button if you liked this video. Feel free to share the video with people you think might benefit from it. And go ahead and subscribe. I put out a new video every weekend. Have a great day.